Welcome back to Math 171 Pre-Calculus Algebra. In this video, we're going to take a look at the situations in which you're going to have no solution or infinitely many solutions to a system of linear equations and what that's going to look like. And these are going to look very similar whether you're using the substitution method or the addition method. So I'm going to do one of these with the addition method and one of these with the substitution method. So the first one we have is 4x plus 6y equals 12, and 6x plus 9y equals 12. So I'll go ahead and work this one with the addition method. Let's multiply the first equation by positive 3, and we'll multiply the second equation by negative 2, which is going to give us the new system of equations. I shouldn't say new because it's actually the same system. 12x plus 18y equals 36, and negative 12x minus 18y equals negative 24. If I add these two equations together, well, I got the 12x and minus 12x to cancel out like I want, but also the 18y and minus 18y canceled out. So I am left with nothing on the left-hand side, so adding that together I just get 0. On the right-hand side, 36 minus 24 is 12. Well, there are no values of x and y for which 0 equals 12. So this is going to be no solution. Our textbook wants us to refer to that as the solution being the empty set, which is just an O with a diagonal line through it. Then the other situation we have, and as promised, I'll do this one using the substitution method. So we have the system of equations y equals 3x minus 2, and then 15x minus 5y equals 10. So, we're going to do this using the substitution method. That first equation is already solved for y, so I'll just plug that in for y. So 15x minus 5 times 3x minus 2 equals 10. Distributing the minus 5, I get 15x minus 15x plus 10 equals 10. 15x and minus 15x cancel out, and I'm left with 10 equals 10. Well, 10 equals 10 is an identically true statement. So what that's actually telling us is that if it satisfies one of these two equations, it satisfies both of them. So the notation we're going to use, and I think my math lab will help you out by putting some of this in there for you, is the solution set, and this is how this is read, is the points x, y. Then we're going to put a vertical line saying, which means such that, then just put one of those equations down. Y equals 3x minus 2. So that's the situation where we have infinitely many solutions. That's going to be how we recognize that and how we write it. So this concludes what you'll need to do homework 20. I'll be posting as well with this set one more video that's going to get you through homework 21. And that will be the next video.